Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, cats and kittens, welcome back to the podcast. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I had to check to make sure that I'm actually talking. Little different today. I hope you guys can. I hope you guys can forgive me. Uh, I allowed myself. I encouraged myself uh, to get into a position in a crypto, and in this case, it was Jackal. That I usually I certainly don't advocate for it, and that's usually why. Well, that's always why I say don't do what I do. Uh, but I wanted to offer some context on it. It's not really a Jackal video, believe it or not. This is kind of it's more or less a crypto video. So I thought maybe you guys would forgive me a little bit of rambling here. So there's crypto has a problem. I mean, it really has a problem. It needs one hell of an enema, and I'm not sure how we actually get that enema. Please allow me to explain. People, investors, want to earn the maximum amount of money with the least possible effort. Now, again, this is not a crypto thing. This is an everything. People want to get paid more to work less. It is what it is. I'm a pragmatist. I accept this. Uh, Problem is that it translated into crypto. It really translated into crypto, and it's taught some terrible, terrible lessons, just bad lessons. Uh, Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Peppy. I mean, 19 days, it hit like $1.75 billion market cap yesterday, and it's a token that does nothing. I mean, with a long history of 19 days, clearly you can trust this one, and 2 billion. I'm sorry, not quite 2 billion. Let me dial that back. So 1.75 billion was the last time that I even looked at it. I have no idea where it is right now. I don't really care, but it's that is the example that I'm talking about, and why actual use case tokens, products, blockchain products, are going to continue to struggle out here in this market. I mean, they absolutely will. Most of these over here are they are use case token. Even Osmo is a use case token. I mean, it's a Dex token. The Dex itself is a product. So to say that it's not a traditional product, but it is in fact a product. But the problem is that most of these cryptos, they go. I mean, there is no mythical hand that moves the market. There is no perfect chart you can look at. It's going to tell you what's going to happen. I mean, most of this is really, really simple, man. More people buy it than sell it, and the price goes up. More people sell it than buy it, and the price goes down. Now, where it starts to break down is when you actually get into crypto products, because the bulk of the market, they don't really see a product. They don't really do their own research. They don't do any of these things. They look at a chart, they look at the price, and say, boom, that's it. Now, products move slow. Traditionally, products move slow, unless you're talking about the fidget spinner. You guys remember the fidget spinners? How that just consumed the entire world, and now I don't see a lot of people with fidget spinners. But aside from little niche products, actual long products, particularly products in technology, they're going to have a tendency to move very, very slow. And that's where it kind of breaks down in crypto, because we have become accustomed to immediate gratification. It will move now. It will go up now. My money is not moving. My money is not doing anything. And they don't actually look at the context of why. They don't actually break down and try to figure out why your money isn't moving, why your money isn't doing anything, why it's going down, down, down. Uh, they don't actually. Most are not even consciously aware of what they're invested in. They don't know. They don't care. It's psychic money at this point. You just want it to go up or down hard. You just want one of those two things to happen, and it'll give you some kind of gratification. So even if you pour your money into something like Peppy and it goes way down, you have a story. You say, well, yeah, it was cool, man. Look, I almost made a whole lot of money, and it ignores longer use case, very specific use case products that are going to continue to struggle out here in crypto world, that again requires immediate gratification. So circling back over to the Jackal. So I am in this. All right, I'm effectively exit liquidity for people just farming the hell out of this right now. For the providers that are farming it, for the validators that are farming it, I am their exit liquidity right now. And if you see any big buys for Jackal, it's me. I can, in for a penny, in for a pound at this point. Uh, so I'm effectively exit liquidity for all the people who are jumping who don't want to do the work. Now, there is work involved in this one. And it's not getting people to buy the token, it's getting people to use the product. It's marketing, it's viral marketing, getting people out, showing them, look, this is neat, this works. Privacy privacy is absolutely a right, it's not a privilege. But that's where it actually gets double tough on this one because uh, most people will pay lip service to privacy, but they don't really want to go through the trouble of dealing with it. Meaning, like for Jackal right now, it's only browser based. For people who they don't want to go through the trouble. It's neat, it's fun. I hope a lot of other people use it, but I'm not going to use it myself. That seems to be the mentality, and that really is the crypto mentality. And I'm sorry if this is turning into a babble. I just thought I just really wanted to get this out. It's the crypto mentality that everybody wants everybody else to use it. Everybody wants everyone else to buy it, but people don't want to use it themselves. And that's really where it starts to break down. And for me, it's a big break, man, because look, if you're not willing to use a product that you're invested in, why are you invested in it? I mean, and I think that's a fair question. If you won't personally use it, you won't personally support it, you won't personally do any work on behalf of it, why are you invested in it? Everybody has a right to do everything that they want out here, man. That's the beauty of blockchain and beauty of crypto. But there comes a time where you kind of got to ask yourself, if you don't see the appeal of it, then why are you investing in it? You cannot continue to count on other people to shore up your own investment. There comes a time where you have to either cut bait. I get it. I cut bait a lot. Where you either cut bait or you buckle down and do the work. And it's really going to come down to those two things. If we continue to ignore it, we're just going to languish. We're going to sit out here. We're going to be a meme world and basically justify to the entire world that what they thought of crypto was correct. So I'm hoping it goes the other way, but it is what it is. I'm also a pragmatist. So yeah, that's it, man. I'm sorry. I just wanted to get that out, guys. I understand this is way, way off the rails for what we usually do here. I literally spun up another YouTube channel. I'm not gonna advertise it, but I literally spun up another YouTube channel just so I could do these little soul searching kind of videos and not feel bad about it or clutter up my very own channel. So that's it, guys. Look, man, questions or comments, gottethepodcast.com. I answer any and all. And I'm going to go ahead and just call it right here. So until next time, please stay safe. Please be smart with your money. Cheers.